Hello everybody, welcome to my channel today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Justine. I live on the west coast of Canada and I'm in my mid to late 40s and I film YouTube videos about 2 or 3 times a week. I do beauty, hauls, reviews, that kind of thing. I do subscription boxes, a little bit of clothing, hauls and things like that. So if that's something that interests you, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you stay up to date with all my latest videos. Now today is a super fun video. I've seen quite a few people just lately posting it and I thought, hey, I'm gonna look up my stuff too. And everyone is doing this, what was my first orders from Sephora. Now I think we all, if you're a beauty junkie like me, we all have our memories of our first time visiting a Sephora store, our first orders and all that kind of stuff. So I thought it would be fun for me to look back at what I had bought at the very beginning and just reflect on my first experiences with Sephora. So I'm gonna go way back, and I remember, and this is in 2004, and I know this was 2004 because I had just gotten married and I was working at the time and I had to travel a lot for work. And I was actually in Toronto and I saw this store and it said opening soon, and it was a makeup store called Sephora. And I was so disappointed that the store hadn't opened yet and I was only in Toronto for a few days, so I didn't get to see it. And then after that, I came back to Victoria, and back then Sephora had online, but you could order through Border Free. Now, I don't know if you guys know about Border Free, but it's a company that will buy products for you from the US to Canada if they don't ship to Canada, but they charge you a lot of duties and all that kind of stuff. And I do know I did order something from Border Free because I was so desperate to get it, and it was from Bare Minerals. If you guys aren't familiar, Bare Minerals, way back when, I think I first saw them on the shopping channel, and it's mineral makeup, powder foundations that are mineral, and they were just like groundbreaking foundations, and I actually ordered it through Border Free. I bought the big kit that had everything. It was the warmth, the mineral veil, and all that kind of stuff. And then I ordered it from the Border Free Sephora as well, and I ordered it for a few family members as well because I just loved it, and it's actually still selling today. So that was kind of my first experiences that aren't logged on the Sephora.com website that we're going to go through now. And a second item I'm going to show you guys because I still have it. My sister-in-law, this may have been 2005 or maybe 2006, she went to Las Vegas and it was around my birthday, and she said, when she was there, she went to the Sephora store and said, what is the latest, greatest product I want to buy for my sister-in-law because she loves makeup. And this is what she bought for me, and I still have it. I don't really use it. I use the brush. This is Bare Minerals, so it's a really neat kabuki brush that you can travel with. I still own it and have it and love it. And it comes with this shimmering mineral powder. Now it's very sparkly. This is way back in the day. It's just really glittery. I used to put it all over my face. I don't know if you guys can see that. Anyway, I just thought it was the most amazing thing, and I still keep it just because it was kind of a sentimental thing. It was my first thing from Sephora, and she bought it in Vegas, and it was just all so exciting. So anyway, that's before all my stuff was tracked. And in front of me here, I have the papers where I was able to actually track what I bought. So I'm just going to go over a couple of things that I bought way back when. And the first one is in 2008. And it's at the Sephora Miracle Mile store, and that is in Las Vegas. And I think this might have been my first visit to Las Vegas in 2008. And I just had sensory overload. If you've never been to Vegas, it's just, for me, it's just fabulous. I'm not into gambling, but I just love, it's a big city, the bustle, the excitement, all the fashions and the people and the shops, and there's just so much to look at. Even if you just walk around looking at the hotels, it's something super fun to do for the day. So I remember I could not sleep because I was so excited. We were staying at the Bellagio and right across the street was a Sephora store, and I'd never actually been into a Sephora. And I, honest to God, I did not sleep that night. I was so excited, and I probably spent most of my holiday in that Sephora store swatching and looking and all that kind of stuff. On here it says I only bought one thing, but I don't believe it. And what it was, and I still own it, is the Nars blush, and this one is in Angelika. Oops, that's the wrong one. Angelika. Oh no, I have the wrong one, sorry. Oh no, I don't have it. I thought I did. It was a pale pink shimmer. I have no idea why I would pick that color, but I actually hit pan on it, so maybe it finished. So anyway, that was my first blush. And then the next one was also at Miracle Mile the following year in 2009. And I'll just mention it, we used to go every year as my birthday, because my birthday's in November, and my husband would always say, let's go to Vegas, because Vegas is one of my favorite places. And then I would shop, and that would be my birthday present. We didn't go this year. I do love doing it, but we have 3 cats, and I don't have a house sitter. It's kind of too much information, but we just are struggling to find a house sitter at the moment. And I have a very elderly cat. She's almost, well, she's 18 and a half. And I don't want to try somebody new when I have such an elderly cat. So anyway, that's why we didn't go to Vegas this year for my birthday. So my next item, and I still own it, is the Nars Orgasm blush. And I have hit pan, and I don't really wear this, but I just hang on to it for sentimental reasons. You know, I bought it in Vegas. That was also at Miracle Mile. And yeah, I had just had such a wonderful time. And they gave you a birthday gift back then. Well, they still do, but back then they got a birthday gift, and it was just like, oh my God, this is so amazing. So now we get to the next page, and this is in 2010, and this is in my hometown. So we obviously got our store in 2010, and what I bought was a Givenchy Gloss Stay Color Plumping Effect lip gloss. I don't have it anymore. I have no idea what happened to that. And a Benefit Cosmetics BADgal Lash Mascara Mini. I thought BADgal Lash was brand new, but anyway, this is 2010. I'm wondering if that was a mistake. Anyway, I don't know. And I also bought Bumble Super Rich Conditioner and the shampoo, and I still dabble with that today. I've used Bumble forever, and I've always really, really enjoyed it. But I'm just kind of getting tired of it, and there's some new brands that are a little bit more innovative. So I haven't bought any lately, but I've just finished a bunch of, I still have Bumble upstairs, so I still use it. I also have from, this is from Sephora.com. I bought the Urban Decay Naked Palette. Yes, I did declutter that. I bought it because there was so much hype, but I actually never really liked it. I find Urban Decay eyeshadows just don't really work for me. So I did declutter that. And another one is the Saint Tropez Tanning Essentials Self Tan Bronzing Mousse. I still use it, and it is still my ultimate favorite self tanner. So, and that was back in 2011, I think was when I first bought it. And then next, in 2011, I also bought another of the Bumble Gentle Shampoo and Super Rich Conditioner. I loved it. And then I also bought Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I still use it. Right now I'm using the Milani, but I chop and change if I buy it. I'm buying Milani right now because it's a lot less expensive, but I do love the Urban Decay, and I've been using that since my first time buying it. And then in 2012, this was at my local store, I bought replacement heads for my Clarisonic. I still use my Clarisonic. I absolutely love it. I've bought multiples of them because they do kind of lose their strength after a couple of years, same as like electric toothbrushes. But yep, I still have a love affair with Clarisonic. And then I see here I bought the entire set of Bare Minerals again. I bought the Faux Tan, I bought the foundation, and I also bought the Mineral Veil setting powder. So the last time I used that was in 2012. And I actually was thinking when I looked at all this stuff, I thought, you know, why did I stop using that? Because I did really enjoy it. It's still a very popular product. It just kind of moved on to other things. But I remember it just being really simple and easy. It made my skin look really nice, gave me a nice coverage, but wasn't too heavy. My skin still showed through. So maybe I might revisit that, especially now with this upcoming VIB sale. Maybe I'll get another one of those and give it a try. We'll see. But anyway, that was my first of buying at Sephora, and a little bit of background on how my love affair with Sephora started. So anyway, if you guys can look back at your old purchases, write them down below and let me know what you guys got. And it might actually be quite similar, because I think some of these were kind of the hot items when Sephora first launched, well, at least in Canada for us when I was first able to access the products. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please click like, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye!